Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kamukam College Shillong kakot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dip khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
Ka Ieid ka bana Maharashtra kabala Sngewtynnad no nakakam kum kanong hikay kala Sngewtynnad ban yoi haki lat pathay khubor bat haki YouTube ba ka jilla Meghalaya kasha kantho bat kasha penbut nam sniu namar ka jingjar nga jong ki arngut ki shikurim ki bana Indur jong ka jilla Madhya Pradesh. Kani ka Ieid kabala wan ban syangka suari ha Meghalaya kalaong bakibriyo ha Meghalaya kidei ki ba Sngewtynnad bat kibriyo ki badan akor don buram bat ki bakloru ban pedang Sngewba bat ban yarap ye kibriyo ki banabar kala batay ya ka jingsyam bat jing ya kendu jongka ha Meghalaya ya ka bakalaong baka Shoh Jingieid omtang ya ka Jingieid jongka jaka hanrei ka Shoh Jingieid bat Sngewtynnad ya ka jinglong jong kibriyo hangne Kham menshua la keren la batay lingba ka YouTube channel jongka syapang ka jingba ki brio ha Meghalaya bat kala kenturu ya ki nongsong snong ke India ba kimdei banget ya ki khubor ki ba penbun nam ya ka Meghalaya namar ka Meghalaya kadei ka jella ka basingantam kani kami Ieid kalaong bahadian baka pelat ya ka video ha YouTube kala yo tang ki comments ki babha suda bat ki babun ki ba comments ki dei na Meghalaya kumta ka mensim jongka ka kwa dik banwan biang sya Meghalaya bat kalaong ba syen haki banai banwan kan sawan biang banai Khublei ya ki pad nongsong snong ka Meghalaya.
It is nothing from my own here because it is our personality is nothing but influenced by so many people. Even it might be because of that. That is why when I read your comments, no words to express thank you. So sweet, so loving. And I told you very shortly, mostly in a month of September, October, I will be visiting your place again because I'm in love with that place, I have told you, and I'm in love with the people as well. So, my heartfelt thanks to all of you for your sweet, good, encouraging comments. And many of you have invited me. Definitely we will meet and we will have some videos also together. Because last time when I visited Meghalaya, at that time I was not a, what I can tell you, YouTuber. After coming from there, I told you, after looking at the ladies of Meghalaya, even especially old ladies of my age working, when I saw them, met them, I realized, yes, retirement is not just to sit. It is something we can do and something we can give others. What I am having? I am having some positive attitude. I am having love and affection. I felt, yes, I can share it with others. And one thing I will tell you, as we share it with others, we will be getting back how we get the echo. In the same type, we will get back the same. And for some single thing happened means we can't blame anyone. Anyone we can't blame. Now I will tell you, because here a couple is missing. They should have taken a guide along with them. It is a new place for them. And you are knowing even the season It rains heavily there. They should have taken a guide and they should have gone. Like that, you are knowing in unknown places because we don't know, and you are having so many waterfalls, so many valleys and all. But I hope that we will find them soon. And such things happen everywhere. Because what I have read, I will share it with you. Especially with the soldiers also it happens. Many times because in the border areas or in the mountainous areas you are having valleys and all. So sometimes something what I can say happens, and some soldiers are missing. They are missing. Though our government and army tries their level best to trace them, they are not traced. And you are knowing, their family members have to suffer a lot at that time. This is what I have read. I am just sharing it with you. Because when a person is missing for 7 years, I think, because when I read it was written 7 years there, the family won't be given any, what I can tell you, pension or any funds, because the person is not declared as dead also. Only after 7 years they will be declared, and then their family members will be getting the pension and all. See, though these soldiers, they work for us day and night because they are there, we are safe here. Even it happens with some people, we don't know whether by crossing the border they enter the other neighboring countries, or in the valleys and all, in the deep, this thing, anything, what a unwanted thing happens, we don't know. Though with all the search operations, even our army, our government is not able to trace them. It is only after that time period, 7 years or what, they will be declared dead, and then pension for their family and everything takes place. So it is not a new thing. Rarely it happens. I think rarely. And even we human beings are also responsible for that. We should take care of ourselves. At least in unknown places, we should not go on our own. Whether you are newly married or whatever, take a guide along with you, because he knows the place better. That is why it is very, very important. Whenever we visit any place, we should not do any adventure which may end our life also. So here no one should be blamed. We should not blame the government, we should not blame the locals, we should not blame even the couple, because we are knowing happily newly married at that time on their own, they were in their own world, I can tell. So we can't blame anyone here. Hope we will find these people soon. Have a good day.